Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem The Weight. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop The Weight. Warming up. First question. Where do you find all animals? Answer. We find all wild animals in the forest and zoos and aquatic animals in rivers and seas. Second. Do you have a pet? Answer. Yes, I have a pet dog called Snoopy. Third. How do we understand that animals are not feeling well? Answer. We understand that animals are not feeling well from their body language and behavior. If they lose their hunger, become inactive, make different sounds, they are not feeling well. Fourth, who gives medicine treatment to the sick animals and birds? Answer. The veterinarian gives medicine or treatment to the sick animals and birds. Next, how do we help animals and birds? Answer. We should help animals and birds by taking their care, feeding them properly, providing them shelter, planting more trees, treating them as friends, etc. Next, doctor who do special advanced study of specific parts of the body have special terms. In your group, try to match the specialist doctors with who or what they treat. Answers are given directly. Specialties who or what they treat: dentist teeth, cardiologist heart, ophthalmologist eye, orthopedic bone, pediatrician small kids, neurologist brain with spine, veterinarian animals and birds. Next, discuss in your group and write down the most important reason why pediatricians and veterinarians have a tougher job to diagnose their patients' illnesses. Answer. Pediatricians deal with kids and veterinarians deal with animals. Birds and animals can't speak and tell their problems, so it becomes very tougher job to diagnose their patients.